my name is Dr. Prachi Navre and my brand name is The Designer Palette by Prachi. We primarily specialize in hand-painted apparel, designer sarees, different kinds of designer ready-made blouses and also customization. So basically what we do is we love painting, we love creativity, we love creating different kinds of things, and that is where it all comes together. So what I will be showing today is two different categories of hand paintings. So there is silk painting on fabric, like the saree which I am wearing, and we have a different kind of painting which is using fabric paints. Okay, in the earlier days, people would get inspired by nature. Slowly, dyes started getting created from natural pigments, and then brushes came up. And the olden people kind of use those brushes, use those natural pigments. I do the same thing. I'm inspired by nature and I love flowers. So if you see, most of our products designed at our studio by our brand use floral motifs. So this saree which I am wearing, this is pure silk. These are all Silk Mark certified sarees. And what happens is it's a completely crafted product wherein we take 6.5 meters of pure silk. It's white in color, absolutely white. And then there is drawing which is done. This fabric is stretched out on a frame, complete 6.5 meters. And then these motifs are drawn. The pink color which you can see here, all that is also done by hand. This is painted and it is not printed. This takes about 3 weeks, this entire sari painting, right from sketching the product till the final product is ready. Now, this category is of fabric paints. So for fabric painting, what we do is we take the fabric as it is. It could be a sari, it could be a dress material, it could be a dupatta, it could be a ready-made kurti, whatever. Precautions which we say you should take for these kind of fabrics is you cannot machine wash. You have to compulsorily hand wash and you cannot use a brush. And precaution for this is compulsory dry cleaning. That is one thing. And storage. For both these kinds, we recommend not storing in plastic. Very often people say, the question is, why are hand painted products so expensive? We can easily get digital printed products. What sets hand painted products apart from what is available in the market is the kind of skill which is required by the artist to create that product. Or as we say, one lady, one sari, because we primarily have saris. Very often people ask me that how have you started this business or how did you build up this brand? A little bit about myself. I am not a fashion designer, neither am I a trained artist. I have actually done my doctorate in management and I have been in teaching for 15 years. And I was on a maternity break actually during COVID times and I was thinking about what should be done. And I love sketching. So I just used to sit at home with my baby, sketch a little bit. And then the thought came, why not try and paint on fabric? And that's how it all started, from just a simple kurti which I created for myself, and then people asked me to make something for them. So this blouse is hand painted. If you can see, this is a Rajput princess. This is a beautiful hand painted dupatta. It's got poppy flowers. These are from our hand painted ready to wear apparel range, and that's how I got into it on a large scale. Building a brand right from scratch and doing it as a home-based thing, getting into exhibitions, and well, now here I am in front of you. All things exclusive, all under one roof, only at Mesh Exhibitions.